1971 Dodge Challenger RT. Here's another sad one, a 1970 Dodge Challenger Convertible. And it's broken in half, but it's complete. So while I don't think this one's restorable, I don't see why it couldn't be a parts car for someone. Next to that's a 60s Chrysler 300. And then how about a citronella yellow 1971 Dodge Challenger RT 383 car. And then some sort of big imperial wagon. Four-door. Another 300 and another 300. Along with a 69 Barracuda notchback. Big old Plymouth, Dodge. And then a cut-up 69 Barracuda Formula S. You can see the original rear disc brakes are just sitting there on the car below it. And the rally gauge cluster is still in there.